than the team bringing up the rear. Argentina, led once more tonight by Leo Messi. Don't be fooled by the relaxed-looking smiles. So Martinez and Sergio Aguero paired up front tonight as Argentina seek to find a way to goal. If you could send Scaloni and Argentina packing. Julio Bascuñán is the referee, and again maybe not the best of omens. Argentina's plight might have been even worse had Franco Armani not kept out a Paraguayan penalty in the latter stages at the Asian Cup. Forced into changes tonight with both Hassim Madibo and Abdel Karim Hassan suspended. Salam Al-Hajri. So here we go. Even if they win, they cannot win the argument, Argentina. That's dropping for Martinez, and he hits it over the top. So two presentable sights of the target in 3 minutes here for Argentina. And both Messi and now Martinez. Martinez wasn't a very good first touch, but it's dropped for Messi nonetheless. So back to him. And beaten only by an 86-minute winner from Zapata. Here's the very capable Al-Haidos, another of the Al-Sad contingent, the captain. Correa, there's such belief in how Qatar have tried to play. Argentina come again, and this time they find the net. And Lautaro Martinez has given Scaloni breathing space. Qatar survived a couple of early scares, but not the third time. Here's what happened. Qatar playing out from their own penalty box. Oh, that's just as bad as you could believe on a day like this from Bassam Hisham. He presents it straight to Martinez, and he squeezes in the corner. That was then, this is now, and here's Aguero, tries to take it down. Afif. He's a danger man, no question. Messi driving on, gets it back. Well, the intention was to get it back from Martinez. Qatar hold firm. The greats playing elsewhere in Spain. Here they are matching them in the Copa America. Round he goes, Martinez is on the back post. And it's high, wide and not too handsome from Lo Celso. All Spanish coaching crew supporting Felix Sanchez. And Qatar showing signs that they're settling here. Swept out to Correa, right side. And so great for Argentina to Paredes to take it. And over the top from Tagliafico. To it though, Lo Celso wanted it on his left. Still wants it on his left, and it's deflected over the top when the shot does come in. Cut out by Kukri. Messi read it so well. Gave it to Sergio Aguero. And still he cannot find the target. He's never discouraged. He never loses self-belief. Promising down this side for Qatar. It's a good-looking ball in as well. And just for a moment, Avenue opened up for Salman, and he played it over the top well. Armani, one more heroics then from Argentina. Messi. Lo Celso. Otamendi jumped for it, but he was out-jumped. Although they're not tourists, a point that Felix Sanchez makes regularly. The Qatar boss, he said it was a great Paraguay game. Martinez couldn't get off the ground. De Paul. A bit tentative with that pass a year ago. Alif. And Foyt had to be alert. Fico out to him. Lo Celso's there to help. Tagliafico bites in and does well. Gives it away. Al-Haidos. And this time it's Otamendi who needed to be watchful. Budiaf again. Correa creeping in. I think Tagliafico knew he was there, I think. This diagonal play seems to have broken ranks and said it publicly. I don't think the CONMEBOL Federation would be too pleased about that. Messi. Tagliafico. Messi. Excellent keeping by Al-Sheeb there. Al-Marzali's in front of the goalkeeper, but he's not going to do much with a... Messi saw some space to work in there. It's a Martinez straight at the goalkeeper, and he fluffed it. Sergio Aguero's in there. Martinez, but it's going to go long into the penalty box, and it's over the top. Otamendi getting in there. It's one Argentine brick to the wall, and here comes the free kick through the crowd, and Armani again is equal to the test. Which I guess is potentially good news for both of Qatar and Argentina. Correa with the layoff, great ball in, and there were two going for it as ever. The ball presented straight to Lautaro Martinez, and he gave Argentina the early lead here. Argentina through the middle for him. Lautaro Martinez back to Sergio Aguero. And Otamendi pressed hard. Qatar win the ball back well. Correa again so alert. Afif on his shoulder, here he is. And Foyt. And it's straight at him. Maybe the incoming player here, Marcos Acuna, doesn't quite have the... There's a similar case in point. Here come the modern strikers. Seems a long way out. It's a set-up ball by Messi. DePaul. Again, he sets it up there. Messi is denied by Al-Sheeb this time. Acuna. Good-looking ball in. And Lautaro Martinez out-jumped. DePaul. Saravia. Those tiny, tiny lapses defensively have cost Qatar in this game. Al-Hazri trying to keep Messi at bay. He can't, the cross comes in, and Otamendi just denied. Found some room here, gives it to Aguero, Sergio Aguero, and this time it's deflected over the top. Maybe now, Paredes again, they're queuing up for Argentina. And Qatar again, Paredes to take it, flat to the near post. Oh, it's a fantastic stop to deny Aguero, this time by Al-Sheeb. That his men have been on in 2019, unfancied, going to the Asian Games, still less the Copa America. Aguero. Seeks to change all that. Hits it straight at the keeper, Al-Sheeb. Aguero just stopped, and it's helped backwards. So after a short delay, it is Paredes. Same idea with the corner. And Qatar were ready for it. Argentina go on. Messi! Goodness me. Aguero and Messi tonight have had several absolute sitters between them. Getting a bit ragged out there. Aguero goes down, the referee is right up with the play. Scaloni's going crazy on the touchline here. Little touch by Paredes to release Messi. Lautaro Martinez denied. Aguero drives into the box. Sergio Aguero! For Argentina. Form is temporary, class is permanent, and Argentina are on their way now. Four, five, six, seven chances missed tonight, but he just blanks them. That's part of his greatness. He just thinks about the next one because he knows he can do it.